Hello everyone, this is Helen from Bleu Diamond Designs. Today I have an unboxing of some balloons that I ordered from Bargain Balloons for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be doing a balloon backdrop. So I'm bringing you along to show you guys what I ordered. Let's open this box. Okay y'all, so today again I ordered some balloons from Bargain Balloons and I just got my delivery, so I'm going to show you what I got today. So this is the heart-shaped open heart look balloon. I like it. We have some little hearts. Hopefully y'all can see this. So I've got a good amount of balloons, y'all. I don't want to bore y'all with showing y'all every exact balloon that I have. But as y'all can see, I have quite a few. Y'all will be seeing once I get the balloon all set up, just to give you some ideas that what I have here. I love these ones because it looks like you can do a frame around the person. I have some you light up my life balloons basically. That's gonna be a nice theme. I really love these ones, so I can't wait to get these inflated and see what they look like. Have some. Hopefully y'all can see these. That's the same one. I have about 4 of these. These blue balloons here that is Tough Text. My niece is having a sweet 16, so these ones I'll be using for her birthday party. And I have them in different sizes because I'm going to be doing a organic balloon. And then of course I got the red Tough Text to add to the garland. Also in different sizes, I have it in 11, 36, that's another 36, 36. I have, these are my 5-inch, and then 17. So that is it to everything that I ordered. I will give you, post some pictures with this as well. I will be posting some pictures with these as well, just so you can get a better idea of what I purchased. So hopefully you did see it in this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Hope you enjoyed. So this is the balloons that I brought from Bargain Balloons. I laid them all out on the floor for you, so you can see everything that was ordered. I have regular white and red heart balloons. I have the small red and heart balloons there. I have this jumbo Cupid bear, or yeah, I guess it's a bear, y'all. Then I have some flowers there, some more heart shapes that has a chocolate box on there. That one is just say, "Be my Valentine forever." Then we have the Happy Valentine's Day cupcake. The You're Sweet, that is the shape of a piece of candy. You're My Cup of Tea. I Love You Latte. Of course, I had to throw a couple footballs in there. And then also just a plain white one that says love on there. So this is, again, everything that was purchased. And then, of course, I have the big Minnie right there and the big Mickey head. And then the Tough Text balloons. These ones here are for my niece's Sweet 16. That's in August. And then red to do a balloon garland. That's what these two piles there are for. And again, just another look around so you can see everything. Oh, and I forgot the little heart shapes that says I love you. The open heart. So I'll take you guys back around one more time. I really like this one. And then I have the big telephone shape. You Are Too Cool. And then the Valentine's. You Turn Me On. Happy Valentine's Day and Happy Valentine's Day.